Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. So guys, I want to talk with you about consistency because too much important our life. Consistency is everywhere most important. So guys, if you want to learn speak English quickly, it is not possible. You have to be consistency. So guys, I want to give one example first of all. As you know, water is very soft and gentle. But water fail one pile's consistency, water can break a stone. So consistency has big power. If you want to learn speak English quickly in a week, in a month, it is not possible. So you have to spend time. Then you can become success. So I want to give one more example again. If you are businessman, if you are open one day shop and 2 day close, suppose means you are not consistency. You are not open continue shop. How can grow your shop? If you are job keeper, if you go for job, if you go 1 week consistency, after 1 week you will left 1 week, you are absent 1 week, so your boss will say, please you can go forever, I don't like you, I want consistent people, I want work consistent, that's why I want people, I want good people, you are doing absent. So guys, consistency is much important. But as you know, everyone want result immediately. But life does not give quickly result. You have to wait. Suppose that you want become doctor. Become a doctor takes time a lot. You want become player, becomes a player takes time a lot. So you can't become success in a night, overnight, in a day, 1 month. So you have to spend time. You have to be consistency. If you want to be success, so you have to become punctual first of all. You have to become consistency. You have to fix goal first of all. Then you can achieve goal. Otherwise, you have to face problem in the life. So doesn't matter you are suffering at that type problem. Now you have a lot of time. You should forget past time. You should start today. You have a lot of time. You can start today. You can try today. You can fix goal today. If you start today, 100% you will be success because luck depend on today, luck does not depend tomorrow. So guys, if if you want to success life, you should watch my video each every day. Okay, if you watch my video, you can take motivation a lot. So guys, I want to give one example more. Nowadays you are taking education. Education is much important. I can't avoid your education. But lot of younger spend time unnecessary. So you should not spend time unnecessary. If you have time, you should use wisely. because today you have time. After some days, after some year, after some year, you want to learn now a skill, new skill, but would not have your time because while taking education, people spend time 50 year, 20 year, 25 year, 30 year. After 30 years, suppose that your luck does not went according your plan, at that time you have to face problem. So guys, I want to explain you. Nowadays you have time. You should learn skill, new skill. If you know English, you can go abroad easily. You can earn a lot of money there. But if you don't know English, if you get opportunity to go abroad, there you have to hard work a lot. You can't get salary, a smart salary. So that's why younger, I want to explain you. Don't waste time. Okay. Nowadays, as you know, lot of people playing PUBG and lot of people talking unnecessary. Lot of people gossip whole day. It is not good your habit. If your habit is good, then you can be success. Otherwise, your habit would be bad. You can't be success entire life. Habit does defect your future. Habit lot of defect your success. So you should see your habit self. So habit must important our life. If you have bad habit, in future you have to face problem. So guys, I said many time, if you spend money one time, it is not worry. You should not worry if you spend 1 lakh, 2 lakh. But if you are spending time, you should be worry because time is very valuable, better than your money. So guys, I am, as you know, I am too elder, I am 50. Even though I try to talk, I try to learn, I try to get much more confidence. But you are younger, why not? You should try because you have lot of time. If you want to future bright, don't wait. Today, you should start today. Today, depend on your future today. You are doing good work, your future will be bright. You are doing bad work, your future will be bad. So today will decide your future. So don't waste today. You should use today. So guys, I hope would you like my video. If you like my video, you should subscribe, you should share. It is your a small step would be amazing for me. Thank you so much. I will meet later. I will conversation. I will talk every day, each every day. You should watch my video. Don't left my video. Thank you so much.